Today I'm gonna use the bigger screen. I think I got connected to the internet. Ninyosu no kijana kwenu guwite zawadi ya mwana ninyosu no FBL You want to learn something? You learn from there. Let me show you something. I immediately got insane, and then we are buying gold. I think so. Who is not buying gold? Me enterprise there. And gold inakaa ina shell sana. Let me first nimalize analysis. But I think we are buying gold. Una sell. Walai. Na mimi na buy. Acha tuone. You think it's a sell? Me, I think I'm buying. Me, I think. Acha kwanza nimalize kuanalyze. Then tuangalie kama we will enter buys. Wase? Mko sure? Wase? Mko sure tuna ka retracement kidogo kanaenda kwa happen hapo? Unaona hiyo point mali iko sahi, gold iko kwa banking level. Gold iko kwa banking level sahi. Gold iko kwa banking level na nimeibuy hapa kwa hiyo banking level. Ikitaka iende kwenye inaenda. though ina seem so fucking bearish, but whatever. I don't care. I don't care. Yeah. Gold iko kwa banking level 2.5. So me, I think we are buying. Acha kwanza niweke banking level 2.5. Inafaa kubuy from there. But sasa hiyo banking level kako hapo juu. Then I turn it to red. We, TV, usijaribu kuongea. Mi niko buy. Let me try to scalp that kanini. Acha tuone kama itabuy from there. Because me, I'm gonna buy. Sinaona ina tap a banking level hapo na haitaki kwenda mahali. Buy positions zangu ni hizo. Kwanza nitengeneze hii. Sasa sijui naiweka wapi. Sasa wenda tusiokianie stories ya kuni na kolile. Do you think ita break your banking level? Cause mi nimeenda buy. If I lose ni sawa. Banking level 42.85 is where I'm watching the market from. Niaje niko fiti. You can risk take buy there if you are trading gold. Acha kwanza ni delete hii, si hata ni delete. Najua hata sija analyze. Mimi nimeingia tu and I'm thinking it's a buy. Niko na hiyo banking level iko hapo na market imekuwa ikisell sana. So na kuna hiyo banking level iko hapo juu, so pia hiyo one is What do you mean? Please explain the code in English. Let's wait and see. You can see market is in a tap banking level 42.85. Yeah, it's a sell, but market is iko within a banking level. So kama ina sell hapo ndio wataenda more aggressive sells. But market tunaona ina tap 42.85.93 na itaki kupita hapo because that is a banking level. Ikijaribu kufanya ujinga close to immediately below it, utaona vile ita sell na power. Because it's a banking level and it's the last banking level of the day. Ikibreakiwa, that means we are on a super sell day. Iko wapi your bank, your candle? I don't think so. It will buy for a moment. Banking level is a point where the banks are entering the market, where if market breaks there, it's either they lose money, one of the big banks in the world will lose money. If I lose money, they will also lose money. Five minutes at inakaja. I'm telling you, it's buying. Mine is here. I'm already on a buy trade. I'm already on a buy trade already. If I lose, it's very much okay. So unaona ina tap your banking level na break. Iki break your banking level, I just get out. Hata situmii hiyo code kuitrade. Nita analyze. Unajua tu nimeingia live, ndio naingia kwa soko kutoka asubuhi. So I will show you how we use it. but I just put it there. Today is called 668. And guys, we're not tapping my screen. Why? And here hapa siniliwa explainia kwa my latest video, this one. And then this was the advanced quarterly theory, and then I have now I know a lot about effects. Like I can talk for the next like a whole week without repeating anything. I am very much. I'm seeing a buy. Everyone enter buy. If you want to make money. If you don't want to make money, don't buy. If you want to make money, buy. If you want to make money with Bigboss, enter buy right now. This is gold. If you want to lose money, enter buy also, because it's either you make or we go home. Stop loss just slightly below 42.85. Don't from 42.85 just risk only 30 pips. Zikihitiwa, just know we are wrong, because market is not supposed to break that banking level 42.85. na naona kuna a lot of consolidation, so banks, it's either our giant buys ama I don't know what they are waiting, because it's already 11 a.m. which is the London distribution. Sielewi wanataka nini. Na 15 chart iko super bearish. I don't know. Let's wait and see. 2026-018. Yeah, now you understand what is happening. That's why I'm saying, if you want to make money, buy. If you want to lose money, sell. No, buy also, because me, I'm on a buy, and market is consolidated too much. Like inafanga tu tap that level na irudi immediately. Sasa sijui inafanya nini. 42.85. Yeah, it's 85. Just 86 kiloano. Acha tuone. Now ujui kiviolate 85, it will sell with high speed. So that's why I'm saying ensure you put just stop loss 30 pips below 42.85 if you enter buy. Ujui ki close below 42.85, that means we are selling like crazy, because itakuwa imedefy the buying point. Na tunaona sasa tuone. I want us to wait and see for 11:30, because hapo ndo itaanza kumove. 30 minutes time frame, what is happening there? Which candle close? You are working with 4 time frame. Market is, you can see market imeta 42.85. Sasa hapo, good afternoon. There is where the banks are entering. It's either a big sell candle or market reverses immediately. You can see it close slightly below it. Wacha tuone itarudi na high speed kama that is a fake breakout. Let's wait and see. 42.18. Maybe no, not 42.18. Yeah, 42.18. Yeah, very true. 18.43.20 is very valid. But me, I'm watching 42.036 there. I'm watching that market to buy back to 42.06. Ambaruram. I want to, let me enlarge so that your bank level inakuwa equal visible vizuri, and then I enlarge this. Market iko around a banking level. Unaona ijajaribu kubreak hiyo banking level, inarudishwa. Let's wait and see. notice code 668. Market iko within a banking level, hapo ndio banks zitaenda. Yeah, kama we are bearish, they will sell the market from hiyo zone. Na watai sell with big candle, so unafaa kukua very keen, very tight stop loss kama utaki kuenda kwenu. Juu kama market iko within the last banking level of the day, unafaa ukue very keen, very keen. Mi stop loss yangu ni very fucking tight, very tight stop loss. Hiyo ni sell. Why sell? Juu I'm anticipating a small retracement though. Sijui kama ita happen according to vile imeanza kubehave kama mtoto mjinga. 11:30 imefika. Yeah, sasa ni 11:30, wacha tuone. Juu it's either 11:30 ama 11:31 there. We are supposed to buy. Acha tuone. Acha ni enlarge this. I want to enlarge that. Market iko within a banking level. Wewe toka huku kuja huku chini, wacha kushinda umenisumbua. This is what people should learn. Market inatumia sequence ya 8668. That is the sequence market is using to move the market today. Let me enlarge in a way it's visible to everyone. Atiyo ni strong sell. Oh, si unaona market iko kwa banking level. Acha tuone. Market iko kwa banking level. Market iko kwa banking level. But inaweza kuwa strong sell. Wanaweza sell kutoka hiyo banking level. It's not a big deal. So let me finish. Umeona? Yeah, as long as market iko kwa banking level, inakuanga 60. Nishaona inside candle, so ina react immediately. Acha tuone. And then so unaona ishaanza kukata hiyo banking level kabisa. Then what is it happening? An inside candle, you have a banking level, then let's wait and see. Mi niko kwa drawdown, I'm not lying. Yangu ni drawdown yangu. Because sikuwa na anticipate market inaweza break your level. Can you see that? Hapo ndio banks zina enter without fail. I tell you buy, ingefaa kwenda 30 pips below that. Market ikiwa within a banking level. That's how unaona hiyo big candle ikihappen. When I to aibu hapo. Need to fumigate this house though. Masijui hizi mafala zimetoka wapi, zinanisumbua hivi. I need to fumigate my house. Fumigate ama do what? Niliambiwa ni fumigate. You can see market is back to my entry. And now we are buying. Because market, imeenda imetap my, kuna level nimekuwa nimecalculate hapo chini. And then we are moving up. Sasa sell or buy, unaona niko buy. Unaona mahali hiyo candle inaenda kutap 4289.65. That is a strong banking level. That's why iko in reds. That's why nimeiweka in reds. That's why iko in reds. Another inside candle. So this is very bad for all of us. Ukiona inside candle na imetapa banking point. Yeah. So unaona imeenda imetap ile nini, ile banking level iko hapo juu. Yeah. Back to banking level 4285. This is how these things work. You can see banking level, naitapi inarudi. So even if you lose, you know the reason why you are losing is because like uko on the opposite direction. I trade with 1 minute time frame. I trade with 1 minute time frame. I do some agazidi one. I do some agazidi one. I do some. Nime close my buys. Check that stop loss. Buys closed. I do some gazidi one. I do some agazidi 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 one. Yeah, even mi naona ni sell. Si unaona mahali na sell 42.89. My red zone, that's a red flag for me. It's not a problem. But now ikibreak up huwa ina sell crazily. Like I can support your sell now. But let's wait and see. Nimefanya ku close buys nisipoteze sana. You just chill and see. As long as isha violate, you see it's selling from 42.89 uko juu. And that's what we do here. Sasa hiyo itakudeceive irudi back to 85 and then market is sell. I do some agazidi one. I do some agazidi one. I do some agazidi one. I do some. I'm trading gold. I'm trading gold. I'm trading gold. Another inside candle. What do you want? What do you want with my life? I do some agazidi one. Ama nimetoka tu ibai kitu ikibai. Ikinipatia another confirmation nitaona tu. I do some agazidi one. I do some agazidi one. But market is misbehaving around level -2 and I don't know why that is happening. Kani why is that happening? Why is that happening? Because seriously that market was supposed to buy. Jumi sioni reason ya kusell. For real. There is no reason for this market to sell. I don't know why. Yeah. Mi sioni reason ya hii market kusell. Na ukiona reason ya kusell, you just tell me. 42.85. Ikibreak 42 banking level 42.85 to the upside, then buys zitakuwa valid. I do some agazidi one. I do some like hata ikufaa kumisbehave around that was just sijui imefanya nini. And this is Bigboss. Mimi I sicheze na mimi. Ikitaka ikatae tena, I don't care. Yeah. Ikikataa pia ni sawa. It's a lesson learned. But for now I don't see why there is enough reason for this market to sell. Ikinitoa tena, it's also fine. Very very much okay. I do some agazidi one. I do some agazidi one. I do some agazidi one. I do some gazidi one. I do some. Mungu Baba, sisi tunakuabudu, mbele zako twainama, mimi ninakuabudu Baba, mbele zako twainama, mimi ninakuabudu Baba, mimi ninakuabudu, mbele zako twainama, sisi tunakuabudu. Mimi ni mwana wako, mbele zako nainama. Sisi wana wako twakuja mbele zako, angalia Baba, angalia Baba. Sisi wana wako tunakuja mbele zako, angalia Baba. Market haitaki kufanya kenye tunataka, angalia Baba. Leo imeamua kuonana na sisi, angalia Baba. Sisi wana wako twakuja mbele zako, market iachane na sisi, angalia Baba. Nimeambia watu wabai, hawanisikizi mimi. Nimeambia watu click buy, they don't listen to the big boss. Wanasema sijui nini, mimi nasema ina sell, ina buy. Wanasema ina sell, mimi nawaambia ina buy. Market iko within a banking level. Market is within a banking level. Mimi nikawambia tuna buy, wao wanasema itasell. God of war, I need you to help sellers because they are not winning against us. Market is within a banking level. If it breaks that banking level to the upside, please don't use that as your support to go down. Please just break. But hiyo structure ina form kwa 5 minutes. It's not in career info. And I'm tired now. Sasa market tap in 42.85. And now you want to focus. It's okay. It's okay. Now you can see the power of these banking points. If if it is below you, you are highly getting fat, like me now. You can see tap that banking level, and now I don't know what it's doing. You can only put your stop loss. That's what it's going to help you. Mungu Baba. Juu hii nayo sasa inaonyeshana a strong selling momentum unless otherwise now. $44. 5 minutes ishakataba hizo kabisa. Keep holding to 42.74. Mbele zangu na inama, sisi tunakuabudu. I'm much interested in the 4-hour time frame. Baba, sisi tunakuabudu tukingojea. I'm waiting for a new hour candle to open, because they are trying to close that 4-hour candle in the previous 15-minute time frame, and that is what I'm currently watching. I don't know why that buys failed, but I can literally know, because market has tapped level negative 2.5, and now banks, instead of buying, they sold. I don't know why they did that, is what I'm trying to figure out, and I can't know that without this 4-hour candle closing. I have to wait for the candle to close so that I can know where the problem is. That's because we operating with market data. We are not random trading. We are operating with market data. Baba, sisi tunakuabudu. Then what? La 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 la. Buy, are you in sales? I'm not in a trade currently. I'm waiting for that 4-hour candle to close so that I can know Kenya nafanya, because like I misread the market, nikakosa kusell pale. This was a sell, it was not a buy. but we can wait, but bado sijaona reason ya hiyo sell. Ndio nataka kuona hiyo candle 4 candle iko close. Why? Mbona ili sell? And that 4 candle is massive sell. And we might see a very big reversal in the opening of the next 4 candle. Big massive reversal. I want to do the 4-hour calculation nikitumia code after the opening of the next 4-hour candle. So this is where I'm going to use that code. Basically, market has been selling from level 2.225 here, going down. Ten minutes to go tujue nini market inataka kufanya. Mbele za kutwa inamo. Upper, I can see what they are trying to do. They want the last 1 minute candle of 11:59 to form the low of that 4-hour candle. That is basically what they want. Let me just wait and see. That is what they want to do. Mbele zangu na inamo. Remember, today market is using the sequence of 668 to trade. Yeah, I was supposed to be in this cell. I don't know what the fuck. I'm waiting for that candle to close so that I can know what the fuck is happening. Because here is what they are doing is they are doing the time alignment short. The last 1 minute candle of 11:59 to form the low of that is what they want to do. The last 1 minute of candle of 11:59 is what they align in time. Now they are manipulating time purely on time. They are manipulating time purely on time. Purely on time. Purely based on time. If you trade on binary option before, can you tell me what is you get the fuck out of my and my phone is wants to nini, inataka kuzima, so I think after imezima I'll keep streaming on YouTube, not on TikTok now. Just go to find me there. I want that 4 candle to open. I want that 4 candle to open and see what will happen. I don't know what will happen after that 4 candle opens. Everyone pay attention, because they are aligning 11:59. 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 They are manipulating price to make sure 11:59 makes the low of this 4-hour candle. Time is key. Learn time. Now let's see it happen live. What they are trying to do is they are trying to align time, and that is what I'm watching right now, because wametumizo banking kama selling banking points, wamesell hapa, and then this is a time based reversal. Wacha tuone 11:59 in like 3 minutes. Time alignment is what is happening here. 4-hour time alignment. 4-hour time alignment. 11:59, they have to make sure that is the last 1 minute candle of that 4-hour candle, and I call that the time alignment in lower time frame to match the higher time frame. Can you see? We just missed that sell because of our kierere tu yangu. Now this you can see where the banks have entered sales. 4339.785 is the point where the banks have entered sales. You can see it. I don't need to show you. You motherfucker, I have seen you a million times. We kichwa yangu na inachanga kusahau. It took sales from the Asian midpoint. So calculate the Asian midpoint, but probably I can see it's Asian midpoint by even the look of eyes. By even the look of eyes, I can tell it took sales from the midpoint of Asia, but I'm not concerned with that. Ainihusu, because nilikuwa buy nikakata. Like exact point I'm selling, I'm buying is where they are selling. So that was a misread in the market. Sometimes we misread it. Nani misread 2 times. Nani kerere yangu. Hii kerere yangu. Like literally, if I'm taking a loss in the market, it's just me misreading the market. Not other thing. If I misread the market, that's the only way I take losses in the market. I have told you they are trying to align 11:59. Ukadhani na joke. They are aligning 11:59 and we go forward, the next 4 candle ikifika tu hivi, they start reversing. You can see 11:59 candle making the low of that 4-hour candle. This is just time alignment bullshit. Misread tena, our lives depends on you. Okay. but I literally misread it. You can see that was a sniper entry to hell. It was the buying point, selling point where you're buying. So that was totally misreading. So what I'm seeing now is time alignment. I told you they are taking their 11:59. After the first 1 minute candle of 12 a.m. in a print, then market can reverse. Let's try and see kama your time reversal ita happen. Print. Ngoje hiyo candle close. Wait for that candle to close. Because this is what I call time alignment in the market. Time alignment. Unless wako na mambo yao na wanaipush sana, hamtaki ku align time. Na ngoje close ndio nijue what's up. Kweli hii ni time alignment ama ni continuation sell? It's not within my banking levels though. Let me calculate the banking levels immediately after this candle may close. Yeah. Hapa tu ni time alignment ina happen. High chances is time alignment. Sasa wacha ni calculate. Acha niende kwa hiyo previous 4 hour candle. Nataka ku calculate your banking point. Hapo ni time alignment ina happen. Toka kwa hiyo tab, ingia kwa tab ingine. I need to go to the 4 hour chart and calculate hiyo. Hiyo ni time alignment. The first 1 minute candle of saa 6, 12 a.m. alignment is what happening. Acha tuone. But first let me calculate first. If you want, you can trade the alignment continuation ama the alignment reversal. Acha niweke line hapa. The opening price kana akau 43.24 high 43.24.63 minus the low is 265.48. Then I'll take this multiply by 0. Then I will minus the opening price, which is 43.15.72. Then I'm getting 42.71. 42.71. Hapo ni time reversal ina happen. Asa niweke 42.71. 42.71. 42.71. Kwani imeopen kwa 42.71.35. Yeah, there. I want towards that banking level now. So now it may break to the downside. So hapo ndio kuna massive sells 42.71. You can see now the first 1 minute candle of 12 a.m. after it may print, now market after it may break the low of the previous 4 hour candle, market is now reversing. They are using something we call time alignment. Time alignment. This is what we call time alignment. I told you after it may close, they will immediately reverse price. Why? Time alignment. They are aligning time. 4 hour 11:59 and the first 1 minute candle of 12 a.m. time alignment is what is basically is happening there. There is no stupid order block which they are using. This is basically pure time. You can see it's pure time. They align the previous 4 hour candle 11:59 to form the low of the previous 4 hour candle, and then wait for the next 4 hour candle to print to form the high or the low, and then they boom reverse the price. Why I'm watching 11:71? Why? That is the banking level. Let's wait and see. the thing which is happening right now in the market is pure time alignment, is pure time manipulation. They are using time to manipulate price, because this is the first 1 minute candle of what, that 4 hour candle. After it printed, it made sure, like this 1 minute like the 11:59, I was talking whenever even the market was here, I was telling you they are trying to align time to reverse price. They are aligning time to reverse price, but in 4 hour chart it's very bearish. So you, even if you try to take the reversal trade, you take cautions, because it's not within my banking level. You risk manage, because forex market is a game of probabilities. So if 11:59 is forming the low of that 4 hour candle or the high chances they are going to reverse price. Na hiyo strategy inakuanga 90% accurate. 1 out of 10 trades, 9 out of 10 trades will be right if they try to align the market with the law of like 11:59. The first 1 minute candle of 12 a.m. usually takes out its low and market beams. Simple. And market is below the banking level, so they can take the market to that banking level and sell. If they break it, then we are breaking to the upside. Let's wait and see if I'm right or I'm wrong. But basically what is happening right now, it's nothing to do with an order block, has nothing to do with anything in the market. What is happening now, it has to do with, it's happening because of time alignment. Yeah, the banking level is 43.71 and the true banking level is 42.89. That's where they took sales from, you can see. I mean sell continuation. Let's wait and see kama wako na sell continuation. First you usually wait the first 10 minutes and then market inaanzanga kumove from there. Ambarora, 2 minutes to go. La 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 la. Namasiano. Butangilia. Bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao. And you guys are not jumping my screen. Munapenda za bure sana nyi. Munapenda za bure sana. I hope siko late. Why? What is happening to the market right now has to do with nothing. It has to do with time. I have said it's time alignment happening in the market. Nothing else. It's time purely based on time. Purely time. Bro, what is happening with time now? It's purely based on time. Can you see? They knew they are using the first 1 minute candle of 12 a.m. as the reversing point, or start consolidating the market to take out buyers and sellers who are in the market. What is happening with the time market now has nothing to do with anything to do with candles. It is time. And I want you guys to go to the charts and try to read this candle a lot. This candlestick pattern, this candlestick pattern which has formed here, hii inakuanga as a pattern for the sellers. When you see a down candle, an up candle, and inside candle, this pattern, master this can make you rich. This candle alone, this one, can basically make you a lot of crazy money, trust me. And I know that. Just you master that candle stick pattern. Jumi, I usually, when I see them in the market, I usually know they are aggressive sellers. I don't know. That's CRG, no. That candle structure only forms in the 1 minute time frame most of the time. And that is what I want you to master. Are you in a trade? No, I'm not trading. I do some Gazirian, I do some. The 4-hour chart is very scary. I do some Gazirian, I do some Gazirian, I do some Gazirian. Hiyo market ilifaa iende itap your banking level 4271 at the point alafu reverse. What are we looking at, mko? You know, if you are new to me, you will not understand how I trade. You cannot understand how I trade. It's hard. Unless you have watched me for a while, it's very hard to know how I trade. Because me, I'm a very highly technical scalper. I don't even think there is someone who can beat me in scalping in Kenyan trading industry. I don't think there is. The other things in trading, you can beat me. Scalping, scalping, I'm a god. I am a god. When you hear me, I'm saying scalping, just know this. I don't joke around. This is a god when it comes to scalping. Enter in and trade for 15 minutes. I don't think they can beat me in that. Let's wait and see. I have told you this candle is what this is what they are using to control the market. The candle which is controlling the market is this one. This one. Where's the cursor? The first 1 minute candle of 12 a.m. It is what is controlling price. Nothing else. It has nothing to do with anything else. Everything which is happening to the market right now has to do with the first 1 minute candle of 12 a.m. Why? They aligned time. They aligned 11:59 to make the low of the previous 4-hour candle. So the next 4-hour candle was supposed to purge, make the low the day, make the low that 4-hour candle, or form the consolidating range for the next 4-hour candle. And that is very hard for a beginner to internalize and learn. And I understand. And my phones are now shutting down. All of them. What is currently happening to price has to do with time. This candle, this one, the first 1 minute candle of 12 a.m. That one. That one. Even my nini hapo nimeteka small scalp trade. My YouTube people, mnaweza uliza my TikTok people, they can see I'm on a buy because by camera ya YouTube haiwezi ona. They can see I have bought the lowest point with precision. What I'm trading now, this is scalping trade. This is based on time reversal. And when my ki iPhone kinazimanga bure sijui, fuck it, muni recommend a good Android phone because uwezi niambia nikianza live ilikuwa 50 na hata zitamaliza 2 hours kwa live na inaniambia inataka kuzima. Stupid. Ama ilikuwa ngapi? I don't know. This is a time based reversal. That's why I usually tell people when it comes to scalping, bro, I am a monster. Like I don't even want to. Getting in for like 10 minutes, 5 minutes, you're not going to beat me. You can beat me on all the trading you want. You can call yourself a god, you can call yourself when you want. I am not interested. But when it's time to align time to scalp, you're not beating me at all. That's why they call me the big boss. The banking level is 42.71. I want you to check price what is doing there, because market was using this price point, this one 42, the first 1 minute candle, they aligned time, and then you can see where they sold from. They sold the market from my banking level 2.5. AC kipindi. Sell from here, sell from there. And then we dumped. Broker, I use FBS. Though I don't affiliate myself with any broker for now. Because I don't feel like you want me to come here, me Bigboss, start telling you click the link on my bio, unless they pay me 10 million. That is what I'm going to do. Unless you'll pay me less than that, do you have classes, bro? Yeah, I have classes. The question is, can you afford me? That's the question. Because they ain't for free. If you want free information, is a lot of it on my YouTube channel. Like, I have tried the best I can. Even the people on my YouTube channel, they can tell me that you can just DM me and talk. Yeah, to learn this, it's very expensive. I'm not teaching you order blocks. No. Now, I want you to see 4271.29. 4271.29. 4271.29. I want everyone to put your eyes there. There now, that is a banking level. Now I want you to watch how the banks are doing. Because when I sit here, talk, you don't listen. They don't listen to me. They don't. Because I usually tell people, you can be learning shit about this forex market for even 10 years and never came across the real forex thing. Because as on my side, kama ningeendelea hivyo, and me, I am a perfectionist. I need to know where the market is going. If it's not going there, I am not atuskizani. If I take a loss, I am depressed the whole day. That is the kind of person I used to be. But I came to learn forex market is a game of probabilities. If I lose, I'm crying. I'm like, yo, why did I even lose? There is the entry point for the banks, 4272.29, and that is the person. Is it a selling point? No, it's not a selling point. Relax. Market is reversing big time. Why are you rushing to take the market down and you're seeing I'm on a buy? What are you trying to do, bruh? What are you trying to do? Stop that. Stop. Stop. Stop it. Stop it. After this live, I love people live stream on the YouTube because they can see the full screen. On TikTok you're just seeing one part of the screen because I can't. Nikieka hiyo phone angle like aita nini, aita give the full view. So let me close all my trades. Nacha nizi close zote tu. Yeah. And kitu isikudanganye. Close all of them. I'm just chilled. Sinanga mambo mingi. Unakuanga but mbaya kwanga. Like why? Nilidu nini? Lucky. Why? Nimedu nini? Nime close trades. Nimedu what? Entry is what you want, or learning is what you want. If I come here, I can even give you entries the way you want. But me, I want you to learn. That is my key, my I'm not like hata ningekuwa na group ya signals, I'm selling signals, I'm doing anything. Yeah. Nikiingia life yako uanga na blow. It's because you're trading your own things. I'll trade vitu zingine na trade. You need to watch me more ndio unielewe how I trade. Learning is important, making money comes after. Yeah, definitely. Because you want to make money and run, but you're not ready to feel the pain of learning. The pain is very key. You need to blow like 100 accounts, and that is what makes me happy. When my student calls me and I'm like, I blew, I'm like, thank God you blew, because now you're learning. Because let me tell you something, I swear to God, you are not going to learn psychology, risk management from a book. You are not going to do that. You gotta enter into the market, lose money, feel how it feels like, wake up the next day when you are down 1k. Like, it is bad for some of us, like the level I am, I can be down 10k, and I go to a class and I'm teaching the student and they don't know. They think I'm like, they don't even notice. You lose $200, you want to beat me. You want to eat somewhere, like you feel like you're depressed, you want to kill yourself. No, it's part of the process. If you're not going to lose money, trust me, you are in the wrong business. You need to lose money to learn. You can see they are using banking level 4271, a small retracement. I don't know if it's a small retracement or it's a big sell, because I'm not interested in trading. Because when I trade on a TikTok live, I'm always I'm talking, I'm not focused 100%. I don't usually take a lot of trades. Just take one or two and then I get out. Then Forex, They will come and you will give them signals and they will lose their money. Now, if you want to find me, look for me. Let me go. Because even my phone is shutting down. You can text me on my inbox or my WhatsApp number is on my bio. See you on the other side. Done. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hello guys, hebu angalia. Hello guys, how are you doing? This is how you walk around with the daily code. First, you need to know how to stop streaming on YouTube. Kwani, what's the problem? Sinta